Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn the basics of Q-learning, a core idea in reinforcement learning. Think of teaching a dog to do tricks with treats. The dog tries actions, and when it does the right thing, it gets a reward. Over time, the dog learns which action is best in each situation. In Q-learning, our agent experiences a state, chooses an action, and receives a reward. The algorithm stores this in a Q table, which is like a scoreboard of how good each action is in each state. Let's visualize a simple world. The robot is in a grid, and it can move up, down, left, or right. Each grid cell is a state. At the beginning, the Q table starts with zeros, because the agent knows nothing. As it explores and receives rewards, it updates the table. The update rule uses the Bellman equation. It says, new Q equals old Q plus a learning step toward the reward plus the best future value. Here, alpha is the learning rate, which tells us how much to trust new information. Gamma is the discount factor, which tells us how much we care about future rewards. Let's highlight them on the equation. Finally, the agent must balance exploration and exploitation. Exploration means trying new actions to learn more. Exploitation means choosing the best-known action for a high reward. That is the intuition behind Q-learning. We go to table of values, update it using rewards, and balance exploration with exploitation to learn the best actions over time.